Have you ever woke up in the morning with the question of, what am I going to wear today? Whatever you pick out, then you're second guessing, does this shirt match these pants? Or does these shoes go with this outfit? These are some of the wonders of students these days who aren't required to wear uniforms. I believe uniforms will be a better alternative for students to wear because not only will it help relieve some of those pressures, it will also be a cost-effective alternative for parents with low incomes. It will help bring school unity, and it will also maybe even possibly in this crazy world bring some kind of safety factor also. I'll start with the first one with safety. It will increase school safety because if all of the students are uniformed, it may be easier for students and teachers and administrators to identify if a person is in the building who doesn't belong. That way, it will help with letting teachers know that there is an immediate threat or maybe a possible threat in the building when someone does not need to be there. Another option or another factor with needing school uniforms is it will help save money. School uniform saves families hundreds of dollars throughout the school year. A recent study shows that the average family pays $250 to $300 for school uniforms, while the cost for regular school clothes is as high as $600, depending on where they choose to shop and all of that, which plays a factor in why the need for uniforms will help bring unity. But we'll discuss that later. School uniforms are also significantly cheaper, as I just mentioned, and it helps students look as if they are all one, as all as one. The third factor and why I believe school uniforms are needed is because it's proven that it brings uniformity to the school. If all of the students are dressed alike, they will all have the same expectations placed on them. There'll be less distractions in the school. And with all of those factors, it just proves how much the need for uniforms is needed throughout the school system. Bill Clinton once said, if it means that schoolrooms will be more orderly and more disciplined, and that our young people will learn to evaluate themselves by what they are on the inside instead of what they're wearing on the outside, then our public schools should be required for students to wear uniforms. And I think that's perfectly put on why school uniforms are needed in the school system today. That's all I'm doing.
Right. You gotta go. You got 3 minutes.
That's all right.
You got 3 minutes, 2.5.
Uh-huh.
3:22.